Okay, right. Today was one of the best days I've seen. Really for price, it moved like over 1%. In in not my direction. Um, so yeah. Today was I got cooked again. This is just I'm just embarrassed again to even say this. Right. Okay, so let's just go over this ES trade right now. So we came up, we took this high. Now I was looking at this and I said, like, I don't see us. We got the new week opening gap, we got all these highs stacked up. I said I don't see us. Right, bear in mind we were down here. All right, let's just replay it. That works. That works. Alright. So price came up. We yeah, ignore all these lines we've put here. Right, can I just do this? Okay, so we came up, we took this high right here. Now, when I'm looking at this, I'm thinking, damn, these are all far away. This new week opening gap. Really, we've been bearish. We've had a sweep of these highs here. Do we want to come down and take out this high? So I was thinking, right, I don't know. I wasn't 100% certain, but we've taken out this high. We've been bearish. Why not look for shorts, okay? And I was too eager to get into a short trade, as per usual. What is this here? Why have I got this marked out? Get rid of this. Right. Too eager to get into the trade as per. We've come up here. We've taken out these highs here. Now, we've come up a bit high here on NASDAQ. Wait, don't worry about that. Right, so now we've come down. Now, what am I looking for? I'm looking for us to break structure to the downside. We're not going to break structure to the downside because we would have to break structure all the way down here. So I just want to see us inverse this gap here. Right, we don't inverse the gap here. We inverse the gap on NASDAQ, and I'm thinking, right, okay, this looks good. We see a 1 minute SMT divergence here off these highs, and I'm thinking, right, this is looking good for shorts. Like, realistically, looking at this, we've come up, taken this high, we've had the move down. We're trading into this fair value gap here on ES. So I'm thinking in my head, right, this is giving me what I want for shorts, but it's going to go up. And I just thought, right, I'm going to take the short because if I didn't take the short, I would be upset that I missed out on this nice trade opportunity. So we've come up here, retraced into equilibrium. We have this SMT on the 1 minute here and here. I'm thinking, right, okay, this is good. We inverse this 1 minute gap. On ES, I'm in. NASDAQ, the risk to reward didn't look very good for these lows. We were so close to it. I was like, okay, we're going to hit these. I didn't get in short here. And then I got short on ES, right? ES comes down, gives me a little bit of profit for a millisecond, and then it stops me out instantly, pretty much, of being in this trade. So after it stops me out instantly, we reevaluate and we see, right, we've traded down clearly into this 15-minute fair value gap here on NASDAQ. And on the 5 minute, yes, we disrespected it here, but we didn't disrespect it on ES. So we are clearly going to end up being bullish. This did give me what I want to see for a short trade. I took the short trade. What I did wrong is when it gave me the long opportunity, I didn't take the long opportunity because I'm an idiot. So why didn't I take the long opportunity? We came down, we made a 5 minute SMT here, 5 minute SMT here, after retracing into the 15-minute fair value gap. We'd taken out the high here. I said to myself, right, we've been bearish. We've taken out this high. We're seeing a semi-decent opportunity for shorts. Let's just get in short. Get in short. Wrong trade. Fucked. It was a bad trade for me. I didn't really like it, but I wanted to enter it because I thought if I don't take this, I'm going to be pissed off with myself, right? Anyway, continue over to the 5 minute here. All of a sudden, we start getting a bearish SMT. And I'm thinking, bro, if we make a bearish SMT now and I enter longs, I'm going to be mad. Really mad. So the entry for longs that I would have wanted, after seeing this here, we've had the retrace down with 5 minute bullish, had the retrace on the 15. I would have wanted to enter after we inversed this, or even better, when we broke structure on this high here. So I would have wanted to get in somewhat around here. And then my targets obviously would have been these highs that are all stacked up amazingly, and we have this new week opening gap. But I didn't think that we really would go there. I don't know. But after seeing all of this, I'm really confident in it. But then we have this lingering SMT divergence that might happen, that hasn't actually happened yet, but I'm too scared to enter the long because I'm thinking, shit, what if the short bias actually is correct? Now, today, the trading day was awful from me. I just traded shit. I entered this shit trade and then missed the good trade like an idiot. I'm really upset with myself again. Everything's going badly at the moment, but it's fine. It's all gonna come through in a lovely foul swoop. So, yeah, anyway, I didn't enter this long. This was the long setup for today. And as you can see, we would have taken partials here on this fair value gap, hung around for a little bit, stops would have been at break even, and the rest of the take profits do eventually all get hit on NASDAQ. And right now we are hanging around. I don't think we've really gone much further, but we have this new week opening cap that we could also push into, but full profits would have been taken here. That's a 4-hour trade. And same with ES. ES has come up and we've only taken out this high here. So we're kind of creating like some kind of SMT divergence off of this, but I don't suppose that would be anything. I think we just come through, fill this gap, and tomorrow we'll probably continue to fill the gap. Yeah, so terrible trading day. I lost about 1.3 on the short trade, and I was just too much of a bitch to enter the long because I thought, what am I doing? I'm just losing. I didn't want to take another trade. But the long trade came through and we should have entered the long trade. That would have eaten up the whole loss and probably the loss that we had yesterday, and we would have probably been in profit for the week, but I didn't enter that. So yeah, that's the trade recap. Bad trading. We need a comeback. It's coming though. We're gonna have some good trading coming through. And yeah, I'm just not worried about this at all. We are just experiencing some technical fucking difficulties with how shit I am at trading. But yeah, we can see it's there. This is great price action. We're in for a good month here and probably a good year. Let's just see how the rest goes when I finish being shit at trading.